one of the major missions of the Delaware Youth Chess Organization is to bring chess to everyone. You know, it's as simple as buying a board. And when a child sits down to play chess, they develop higher level thinking skills. You know, so just the act of buying a board, taking the first step, and reading the directions. You don't necessarily need a chess coach to teach you how to play chess, and anybody can do it. And once you do it, you start developing those skills that are essential to life. At Edison, we call chess the game of life, because the same critical thinking skills that you use on the chessboard, use them in your everyday life. And on at any given moment, you could walk into our building, and we have 200 or 300 kids playing chess. You know, in the lunchroom, they play chess. Whenever it's raining outside and they can't go to recess, they play chess from 3rd grade through 8th grade. And a lot of times with chess, the stigma is that it's a nerdy game. Well, everybody on the basketball team in my school, they play chess. Everybody on everywhere. It's just part of our school culture, which is great. And especially at a time in Wilmington where it seems like the cost of living is going up and the chance of living is going down, you have positive kids sitting down at a chessboard, focusing and working on problem-solving skills, which is quite amazing.
That's pretty good with that.
About how chess can help you mathematically. At Edison, we have an integrated chess and mathematics class that we teach to every 3rd grader. And what the kids don't realize is we're teaching them algebraic concepts in 3rd grade. The chessboard is a square. It's a 8 by 8 square. And each square has its own name. But it's just like a graph. So we teach the students how to, they have to identify the square. So in graphing, you go 1, 2, 3, up. In chess, it's ABC, 1, 2, 3. So they begin to identify the names of the squares on the chessboard. And each chess piece also has a value. So a knight is worth 3 points. A pawn is worth 1 point. But we don't call them knights and pawns when you write down doing algebraic notation. They use the letter N. So now they can start to equate letters with numbers, which is variable, which are using variables, and they're starting to do this in the 3rd grade at a 3rd grade level, which is quite amazing. Chess organization is to make chess accessible for anyone, even someone walking through the park. So we last year was our first year. We started the Chess in the Park program, where every night we had chessboards set up for anybody to come up and play in the community. It was at Tilton Park last year. This year we're going to be working with the Department of Recreation to expand on the program. We actually had Secretary Murphy, Secretary of Education, come to Chess in the Park last year to play, and we had kids who would seem like there would be a problem in the neighborhood. They would come up and they would play chess. And what that did is it connected, one, the neighborhood that the park was in to the kids that are in the neighborhood, and there's oftentimes a rift there. So our goal here is to make chess accessible to anyone who wants to play. You don't need batteries for a chessboard. Okay, so when you come, you can just sit down and just play a good game. And that's really what we want. We want Delaware to be chess capital USA. Philly's known for the cheesesteak. We can be known for the chessboard. A school like Wilmington Charter will have an avenue for those students to be able to really showcase their talents. You know? A lot of times basketball and football are highlighted, but I think it's about time for our youth, the minds of our youth, to really be highlighted. Grade, and the sections are from beginner. We have a beginner section. We have an intermediate section. We have an advanced section. So no matter where you are, there's a place for you at our tournaments.
Okay. And they can just call the number that's on the screen if they need more information, right?
Yes.
They can call the number, or they could email us.